Right here we have our Unity banner. All students are signing their names. This is like the main thing of Unity for like everyone's united under Edsel Ford High School.
So basically, it was really made to kind of just promote kindness, inclusion, and a sense of community in our schools, really by emphasizing that idea that we are all one, regardless of our differences.
We're here at Edsel Ford for Unity Week. It's a student-led initiative. Ms. Hessen's principal advisory team had the idea to put on a week of events and activities for students. The theme is, of course, unity. They wanted to bring all students together to highlight the value of being unified as a community.
We really put an emphasis on making sure that students were talking with other students that they don't usually talk to, just to find common ground. We had classrooms partnering up with different classrooms, and even teachers were participating in activities at Edsel Ford.
The main event that we had was kind of themed days for each day of the week. The Principal Advisory Committee, which is a group of students, we all collectively made up the themes for each day.
And we collabed with Peer-to-Peer,
Mental Health-Based Club,
a nonprofit through the University of Michigan of Ann Arbor. And so Peer-to-Peer and Principal Advisory kind of combined the idea of unity. So we did a Spirit Week. And then we have today, like with LEC and Friday, having all the students come together and do different activities.
They also came up with really cool questions that they put up on the windows on the hallways in Edsel Ford where other students were able to interact and answer things like what makes you unique, tell us something about your culture that you find really special. And then they helped us plan some in-classroom activities as well that the whole building participated in at the same time.
The students are actually running all of the activities that we have going on at lunches today. Another thing is that the hallways were assigned colors, so like once you look at the doors, they're all like themed by color. The students were actually helping their teachers decorate their doors, so they were participating in it. You'll see some where there's writing prompts. Students wrote on like basketballs or leaves or just different things, and so students were really involved in that aspect.
Here's the Unity puzzle. Students get to color and design their own puzzles and kind of work together to make it all one giant puzzle.
As an employee at Edsel Ford and watching the events happening, I've actually been able to see relationships form that weren't necessarily there prior to these events. They're not always given the right opportunity to have these conversations because they're here to learn. And so having that free space to just communicate with others really just showed a sense of community in our building.